Hello traders, John at StockBookie.com. Today we're looking at the SPY, the IWM, the Qs, the DIA, and the IYT. We follow the daily, weekly, monthly time frames. We use technical analysis here at StockBookie.com. So let's go right to the daily SPY. We're at 56 million on the day, $1.65 down, and now we're just continuing chopping around above the MAs. Same thing we've been talking about for the last couple weeks. We've been actually 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 days. We talked about a couple weeks sideways, as long as it stays above here. If it sets up and keeps going, this is what you're looking at, 248, 250, 253. Great bullish pattern above the MAs. This is where this thing should go up to. If this pattern fails, though, we get back below the 20 and the 50, then we'll look at gap fill, double bottom. This will be a big area of support. Down here will be a big area of support, and then you also have a trend line down here. We'll just pull that up over here. And the 200 MA, of course. So, and this is where the trend, this is where we had the trend line breakout here. Nice little consolidation pop. So let's see if this holds up. Volume remains light. Let's see what the SPY gives us in the next couple days. IWM, same thing. This one had a little bit more of a reversal, right back down to the 382. Still holding the MAs just like the rest of them. Light volume, pretty much the same scenario. Pretty good pullback today, 1% on, no great shakes. Still up, sideways, still bullish. Until this thing really proves to me that it's coming in, then with more volume, then we'll take a look at it. Right now we're going to hold support here at the 20 and the 50 MA. If it gets through there, then we'll talk a little bit lower down in this area. If this thing turns around, goes right back up, and you're looking for this high pivot, the all-time high here at 142.90, and then this trend line again. That's pretty much the line in the sand, guys. If we cannot get above this 143.32 area or 25 area and up from there, then you're going to have another problem. You might come right back in. So that's the area to watch in this. You're still going to have a little bit of resistance up here from the old pivot high and a little bit of consolidation, but this thing turns around, goes up, this is the area you want to look for. If it plows through there, 145 to 150 on the IWM, guys. So that's what you're looking on there. As long as it holds the MAs, you're doing okay. Light volume. And again, I sound like a broken record. The Qs, though, same thing. Nice reversal from the green day yesterday. Didn't close back here and fill the gap, but nice reversal off the highs. Pretty much came in. What you noticed on all the indexes, I'll show you on the Qs, right at the end they sold it off at the end of the day, and they pretty much closed at the lows. So that's something to watch into tomorrow's action. It hit right now, bearish channel, inside bar, lower range of the big red bar. So that's a little bit bearish. If it gets below the 50 MA, then you're going to go to here. Then you got some gaps to fill, and then the gap to fill down here around 130. Ultimately, though, I think the 200 MA. Wants to go higher, this pattern needs to fail, needs to start ripping up, get above the 750 retrace, all-time highs, and then shoot from 145 to 150 on the Qs. Everything 150, 250, 150. It's weird with the round numbers sometimes with the indexes. Again, bearish pattern, setting up for possible lower prices. Let's give it a little more time, and let's see what happens with that. The DIA. Pretty much same scenario. Got up there, a little bit of reversal today. No great shakes. Still above the trend line. Still above the moving averages. If we have some follow through tomorrow and this thing comes below this line, it maybe kisses the 20 moving average, then yeah, we'll have some issues possibly. Even with the volume, watch that one tomorrow. I'm thinking more sideways action, possibly into this trend line and maybe more up, maybe another up move. 215 we talked about, 220. 225 and then 228 up into here. Probably 230 at that point. This is the upper trend line though. That's the big one you got to watch for if it moves up and gives you higher prices. This thing comes in, again you're looking at the 20 MA, 50 MA, gap fills, double bottom. This is the line in the sand for this one. Just like some of the other indexes, you have the lower trend line here. That will be a big area. If that cracks, 200 MA just like the rest of them. Then the IYT, guys. This is the one that's got to be leading. Had a nice pullback today. Pretty much sitting on top of the 20 MA. Nothing wrong. Bullish pattern here. Nice reversal back below this trend line as well. So we'll see what tomorrow brings. If we get some more follow through, light volume as well. Nothing great. Now, if we get some sell volume like this one, that's what I want to see. And then another day like that. So let's see where we close tomorrow. Let's see if we consolidate. Maybe we can do a little retrace back up and then the next leg down. So keep an eye on the IYT, guys. It should be leading. It's starting to lag a little bit. Still in a strong stance, though. But watch this tomorrow. If we close below the 20, then we'll probably be looking for lower prices to come. Still some good support here. So just take a deep breath. Let's see what it gives us. So far, nothing wrong with the IYT. All these indexes, guys, they're all a little bit high flying, all a little bit stretched, and just consolidating, killing the puts. Option plays are hard, especially on the bear side. So just slow down with those. Most of our positions, guys, are shares, and that's how we play here at StockBookie.com. If you like the videos, guys, go to StockBookie.com, sign up, it's free. And that's going to be it for this one. Thanks again for watching. I really do appreciate it. God bless. See you on the charts.